Hey guys, what's going on? It's time for another adventure. Today I'm taking a hike looking for another waterfall. This is Franklin Waterfall in Washington. It's gonna be beautiful. I know it's gonna be beautiful. I love waterfalls, so come along with me and let's take this hike together.
So we just made it to Franklin Falls, and this is a beautiful, beautiful, mostly shaded, peaceful hike, and it's in a very pine barren area in the Baker Mount Snoqualmie Pass.
I love it. This is a easy hike. It's going to be about 2 miles with very little elevation change, and I guess that makes it a very popular hike. So if you decide to make it out here, just know that you're gonna see a lot of hikers along the way. But that's fine, I guess, as long as you keep your distance.
It is a very popular hike, so if you do it, you can usually come at all time, but the later you come, the parking does fill up quickly. The parking is $5. You could purchase a parking pass online at the website listed. Very important, because if you do not pay, there's susceptibility to towing.
All right, you guys, we're getting really close to it. I can already see it. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait.
It's very open when you get down there, but kind of steep, so make sure you wear sturdy sneakers.
And this is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because I have more adventures coming up and you don't want to miss out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.